Hey fellow movers, I'm back again, still here doing my best to help you revolutionize your fitness practice with some timeless natural movement, some sensual, feel-good sort of movement. Today we'll return to the great Teacup Drill and add some outstanding variety. But I do hope you'll stick around to the end of this video because I have a challenge for you and for one of your loved ones. So stay tuned for that and let me know in the comments section below how that goes for you both. Now, I've done a video before on teacups, the basics of this teacup drill, and I'm going to add a card up here in one of the top corners so you can check that out. If you're not familiar already with this amazing mobility drill, because here we're getting more advanced. As you can see, we're moving from standing tall to getting low to the ground, but there's always a teacup happening here, there, or both arms at once. And we'll practice moving from standing tall to lunging to kneeling and even squatting, attempting to move through those 4 positions while continuing on with the teacup. And as you can see, it's a little game of exploration. That's why with exercises such as this, we have movements that are appropriate and applicable to everybody at any level of fitness, at any age. Again, it's really a game of exploring what your body can do today. And let's see if, as we continue with this practice, we're able to gain more control, more awareness, more mobility, and strength. And over time, we're starting to see that we can do even more. And then in 5, 10, 20 years from now, we're actually amazing ourselves. Even though we're getting older, we're still able to do amazing, incredible things with grace and ease. In an injury-resistant body that's strong and resilient, we're sexy seniors and loving it. How lovely would that be? Speaking of which, join me this Saturday, June 24th, for my online movement workshop. I absolutely love bringing together groups of like-minded individuals that also love to move for pleasure and overall well-being, and that's exactly what we'll be doing this Saturday, and that will be at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's your last chance to join me, to sign up, and why wouldn't you? This practice is transformative. It's powerful and it's enjoyable. And my workshop is for the ridiculously low price of $19 because I want to share it and spread the news. So you can find the link in the descriptions box below and register now. I look forward to seeing you there. Okay, now as I promised, I have a challenge for you and a loved one. You might have seen this one before. It went a little bit viral some years ago. I think they called it the Koala Challenge. All right, what you need to do first is choose your role. You may be the tree or the koala. The tree needs to hold a fixed position as best they can. Arms wide, knees slightly bent, a good wide base of support at the feet. And that tree wants to stay strong and fixed. Now the koala must crawl around the tree from the back to the front and to the back again, never touching the ground. It's challenging for both the tree and the koala, I must say, and it's a lot of fun. And hey, what's fitness without fun, right? All right, friends, thanks for watching this video. Oh, and don't forget to join me and other cool fellow movers tomorrow, Saturday, June 24th at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our 75-minute online workshop. We're going to move together, we're going to chit-chat a bit, and we're going to just kind of come together and have a great time of it. So I hope to see you there. It's a great deal, so check it out. The link is in the descriptions box below. All right, looking forward to seeing you there and moving with you soon. Bye for now, my fellow mover, and keep moving naturally for life.